Hello, my name is Sai Panani. I'm the lead developer for BookTracker, a term-long project for application domain for the semester of spring 2019. For this course, our professor Dr. Mamo tasked us with splitting into teams and designing and building an accounting software which should include journalizing transactions, creating a chart of accounts, preparing financial statements, creating and displaying ratio analysis for the status of accounts, as well as view event logs to see what is happening in the system. Our project also included documentation, which included the software requirement specification, software design specification, software project management plan, software testing plan, and other user documentation. The project was developed in an agile environment where we work off of the backlog and present our progress to the class every 2 weeks with constant feedback from Dr. Mamo. This iterative development process helped us further understand the domain, clarify requirements, and get other feedback on the development. To track our progress and assign tasks, we use the provided backlog from Dr. Mamo to keep track of items that we're working on, completed, and still not started, as well as assign who is going to be working on those tasks. We use SQL Server as our database as it is very popular when developing a .NET web application. Both SQL Server and the .NET Framework had plenty of documentation and other online resources like YouTube and online tutorials to help us understand how the development process works in that environment. We used MyASP.NET as our host for the application and the database. We use C# for a server application with the .NET Framework and developed using the model view controller pattern. .NET in Visual Studio allows us to map the database to the front end of the application along with a very effective debugger to find and fix issues. It also has built-in FTP migration support to easily deploy our code to the hosted server. For the user interface, we use JavaScript and its jQuery libraries to receive, display, and send data. The jQuery library helped with viewing user and account information in a customizable filter table called data tables. The jQuery also included AJAX for us to call the controller and application classes to retrieve or send data by packaging them as JSON objects. This allowed a quick interaction between the program and the front end, which further enhances the user interface experience. We use Bootstrap library, which contains CSS and Java-based templates to enable responsive application, which is both mobile and PC friendly and scales on any device.